Hey everyone, hey, this is Steve with Big Skid. We are going to do more and more content related to workshop towards building stuff. And if you like it, please hit subscribe. If you don't, I'm sure I will hear from you if you don't like it as well. So either way, I'll hear from you. So um, just like everyone else on the planet, I've suddenly had to work from home. And I had previously been using one of my kids' desks, and it didn't fare well. You can see it's particle board. It had broke there, it broke down there. The drawer keeps falling out. Yeah, it's it was $40. Instead of buying another $40 desk like that, I decided to go back to my roots. Not really, but I did work in a mill shop for a couple of years in my youth. So I had to build one. And honestly, I just saw some pictures. I went out and got some materials, put it together. It's $40. Took me a total of about 4 hours. And I'm not entirely displeased with it. If you have any comments on this and how I could have made this better, add those in the comments and I'm going to read them, and maybe I'll make another one and I'll donate this or firewood. I don't know. But definitely looking to learn as I get back into doing more and more projects. So I went to Lowe's and I got 3 2x10 by 8 feet. It's a little bit longer, so I'll trim this up. It's like 96.5 total. They didn't have any 4x4 in stock, so I bought 2x. Simply cut them to size, kind of brace them together. I used pocket holes to bring it all together. And it is rock solid, sturdy. I mean, I put all my weight on it. Not a problem. Now, I do need probably to brace some more in here, so I would like to see if anyone has any recommendations for more bracing, different types of bracing I could use with this type of table design. Love to hear it. Now, I use a standing desk, and the standing desk is really designed to save my back. I was recommended to have spine surgery. I had 2 fully herniated discs, and I had another bulging disc in my spine. Simply standing all day, not all day, even half the day, even at 4 hours a day, took the pressure off my back. I then did physical therapy called the McKinsey protocol, and I had no back pain. I could barely get out of bed. I was on Vicodin, and I don't have any pain anymore. It's unbelievable. My plans for this desk are to put a light stain or an oil on the top. Probably a heavy wax. I'm really not interested in the off-gassing from polyurethane. One of my kids has asthma, and I did poly on another desk I did, which I'll show here in a little bit. You can still smell it. It's been a week. Not interested in that. So anyhow, I am going to clean this up. I'll put more pictures maybe in the comments or up on bigskid.com of what it looks like after it's finished. Now, tomorrow or in the next day after that, I will upload a video related to another table that I built with a totally different design, more, I guess, of a shaker style. I'll add some pictures at the end of this video. You can tell me what it is. But again, if you have any comments, different ways to prep this, different ways for what should I do? Should I sand it and then oil it, stain it, paint it? Should I take these off and go with 4x4s? Because I know I can get 4x4 stock elsewhere. I'll show you on another table. Looking for some input as I kind of figure out what I'm doing as I start to do more projects. But definitely going to keep doing these types of things. So we'll be seeing you around. Make sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate it.